Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to create an IAM user so a Callaba support agent can help you with your setup. You can easily remove it when it's no longer needed. Here's how to do it. In your AWS Management Console, search for IAM and go to the Users page. Click Add User. Type a name for the new user and check Provide User Access to the AWS Management Console. Select I want to create IAM user. Keep auto-generated password selected and click Next. On the next page, select Attach Existing Policies directly. In the policy search box, type in the policy names. When we request access, we'll specify exactly which permissions are needed. We typically request these 4 types of permissions. Once you've selected the policies, click Next, review the details, and then click Create User. On the final page, you'll see the new user's details. Please copy and send us the following: console sign-in, URL, username, password. That's it. You can delete this user once support is complete. Thanks for watching.